Hi there, my name is Dominic Chambroni. You may know me as the shoe surgeon, or just the surgeon. Have you ever thought of what it would be like to make the shoes of your dreams? Yes? Well, now you can, and from the comfort of your own home. Thanks to the collaboration between Monthly and the shoe surgeon. That's me. In this 30-day online course, you will learn how to make a pair of custom sneakers from scratch and learn the complete craft of shoemaking. You'll go from this to this. It's so easy, even my dad can take this course.
What's an AJ1?
That's a great question, Dad. And if you want to find out, you'll have to sign up like everybody else. So now that you know, go enroll today. And I will see you there! Exclamation point.
Cut! Yeah, Dom, you're not supposed to say exclamation point.
Did I say that?
Yeah.
I'm so sorry, guys.
It's all good. From the top, alright?
The Shoe Surgeon Monthly?